How to reactivate Robinhood account. In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your Robinhood account step by step, whether it was closed, restricted or deactivated. I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone, or you can also go to robinhood.com on your laptop and log in using your email and password. If you're iPhone user, you can download this app from App Store, and if you're Android user, you can download it from Play Store. Click on search bar and open Robinhood app and log in using your credentials. If your account is restricted or deactivated, you will see a message or a red bar at the top. Tap it to learn more. To reactivate, you will need to contact Robinhood support. Tap on your profile icon, which is on bottom right corner, and there click on this three line on the top left corner. Then click on Robinhood support and click on contact us. Then choose account review or reactivate account option. Robinhood may ask for ID verification or other info depending on why the account was closed. Just follow the instructions they send via email or in the app. After submitting the request, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days to hear back. You will get an email when your account is reactivated, and that is how you can reactivate your Robinhood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.